If you chase, you die. Please remember that. What's up, guys? It's Migs with Market Open. I wanted to do a quick lesson on what a retest is. So on an earlier video, I did this ascending wedge or triangle, whatever you want to call it, how to play it. But actually what I wanted to cover now is what a retest is. So if you ever chased a stock and made money off of it, it's like making a mistake, and that money, it will be money that you pay back into the market because you've built up a bad habit. So I guess let me explain a little bit. So if you chase a stock, you most likely were just suffering from fear of missing out. You didn't jump into it during the right spot. And 7 out of 10 times, you're most likely going to lose. And when you lose and the stock pulls back, that loss is going to be very big. So if you chase, you die. Remember that before you ever try to jump into something and it's not the right spot. Now let's talk about what this retest is. So the breakout here on this ascending triangle was 46.08. And there are people that miss the breakout. Just like people miss breakouts every single day. This happens in stocks every single day. Might not happen in the one that you're exactly looking at right now, or maybe the one that you'll be looking at tomorrow, but there will be multiple stocks that will do this every single day. Now, there's a reason why you don't have to chase these stocks to be able to get in during the correct spot. So, like I said earlier, the spot of breakout is at 46.08, and let's just say that you, for some reason, you missed the breakout and you're not within this group of buyers. So if you didn't buy it at 46.09, 46.10, whatever, you missed the breakout completely. Now it's all the way at 46.58 and you're like, oh crap, I was watching this for, an hour and I completely missed it. Don't buy it. Do not buy it and think that you're, gonna make 20, 30 cents out of it and it's gonna be fine. What you need to do is you need to wait for the retest. So what happens is all these buyers right here that jump into it, they jump out at a certain point, and what they do is they'll take profits. And when people start taking profits, it'll pull back to a certain spot. And when it pulls back to a certain spot, the people will jump back into it at the same spot that it broke out. That is called a retest. So the people that are jumping back into it are people that missed the breakout, people that were previously here and are actually now adding to their positions. And when it starts going up, then shorts, or when it actually starts coming back down to the spot, shorts actually start piling into it because they think it's going to break down below and pull back. So a retest doesn't always work. You obviously would rather be in during the breakout, but a retest is a better spot to get into than if you were to try to get into it with a chase. You definitely don't want to do that. So what you want to do is you want to wait for the retest, wait for it to pull back to around the 47 or 46.10 area. And what you want to do is get in it down here. And then if it stops pulling back, you can either set your stop at your original stop, which mine was around 46.84, 85 or something like that. And just set your stop below that. But if it starts crawling back up, what you want to do is just set your stop right at the bottom and then have your profit target, and you have very minimal risk for you on that trade. So instead of chasing it and try to get in up here and then all of a sudden, it pulls back really hard and all the people that were in it in here are now getting rid of the stock and just dumping it, that's definitely not what you want to do. So definitely wait for the retest around this area and then wait for it to start curling back up. As you can see, it retested just right at that breakout area, and it actually kept climbing higher and higher and higher. So even if you were actually initially in the breakout spot, you can actually add in that area because there's more people that are going to come back into it. Just psychologically, people don't want to miss out the move, so they're waiting for a good spot to get into. So just wait for the retest, set your stop near the bottom of the pullback, and just rip it up. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If this video does help you, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to join our Facebook group. It's completely free. It's full of like-minded people, and I'll actually leave the link to that below. So I'll talk to you guys next time.